So I grew to know, you get case when my friend carry come give me yesterday, so make I still help am talk the thing for social media here. Make people still reason now, based on at least everybody now, some of the things when they happen for us, not good. Corruption too much, not just only government and all that thing. The most corrupt set of people sometimes are even the traditionalists. So in my mind died since February. So because of Corona, they say may anybody not do better at that time. Everybody, no even church, nobody they go anywhere that time. Everybody lock up. Now after the after Corona now, you know, they say may they bury their papa. The Okaigbes, the traditionalists say they go need to bury their mama with 6 million naira. This woman sick. This woman don't near 80 years. Not be woman when they not pay their dowry. When they say, okay, now need to pay na mama dowry and all that kind of thing. This woman don't get great grandchildren. Now the years so. So I want more reason now whether this thing makes sense or it not make sense. Because me I believe say if person mama or papa die, now the children go sit down say okay, waiting will get see how we want to bury our papa. Because things not dey okay for these people in question. And this my guys, so as I dey talk to you now, where even dey, e not dey okay. E get immigration problem, e dey run up and down. Make dem no even can carry am go house before even im mama bury am. But dem dey tell dem say they need to bury their mama with 6 million naira. How does this make sense? These people now, these Okaigbe, these elderly people, they don't know how these children take grow. Or you want tell me say because you hear say picking dey ewebo, randomly they don't dey okay. They are not okay. They are not okay. Nobody pick money wherever they are. Money you must work for it. Now they hear so. So now wetin I want talk we say. Children no fit decide how they bury their papa or their mama. Now wetin children get, not be you go tax them. You want me they borrow money to bury their mama. And make una see no watching. Not be your mama. Yeah, it has nothing to do with this thing. Not be your mama be mama. Say cause say picking better, not me say they train all of them. Pikin they won't live with mama and papa, they not even here for my 10 years. Later the pikin don't dey okay, don't dey mama take this my mama because mama na mama, papa na papa. You traditionally, so now no can say, oh, because the pikin, we don't hear say one of the pikin dey this company, it dey here, it dey okay now. So because of that, all the money when don't work for life, even the one we never even hear of, now they want to bury him. Waiting. 6 million naira to bury old woman when don't die. As in waiting happen. Now you wanted the musician to carry, or how many canopy, or how many cow will they keep? In tradition, wetin I believe, according to where I take comfort, if woman die, you get misunderstanding with the children. They find the children. Or like that. Now the children go come say, okay, see wetin go fit afford. You no expect make person go carry lapo because of say one bury mama. It don't make sense now. You no expect make children like go they rob, go they do yahoo, the girls they go prostitution, they carry sugar daddy, boy and girl up and down. Now they want to see money to bury their papa. It they wrong now. See, if in Nigeria, if Hausa man die, even though say na billionaires, then go to be to the richest African man in Nigeria, in Africa. If he died today and they confirm say he died, the next day they go use a match, take carry and go this thing. They go bury him. No matter how much he get, why be say we dey always want make we use 10 million, 20 million? If person mama die, if you say na 1 billion you want to bury him, let it come from the pikin mind. Not be say you want tell am say now some people they be now in part of Nigeria now. Women not dey fit get married to the man when they like, based on the man not go fit pay the bill, the bride price, they not go fit pay. Make we stop all these things. We the youth, we have right. We have some idea to like, no, this thing have to stop. Where are they here? if we both die, they put them for 1 week mortuary. Before you know, that day everybody wear black and black. You go there the house, you not go no say person there for the apartment when you dey. They carry and go cemetery, they bury am. And oftentimes, they get money when all these people, because many of them, they don't work. Then they get money, they go bring money come. The children go share am. But our own, once Papa die, we know they run health scatter. We dey even plan to sell our land when we don't even buy already. Take bury our Papa or Mama. It don't make sense. I want more than share an idea, an opinion on this topic, because this topic is disturbing a lot of people. Somebody go die, they're not going to know, we don't, your mama go pay 800,000. Your brother go pay 600,000. This one go pay. What in the worry either? These children, so either never even want this sit down. Say all these children, make could train all these children. Either not the three children, But immediately something happens, ceremony like burial and marriage, either don't come. I did tradition. I remove my car for the tradition. Me, we are all traditional people. Now the years of but not be everything we do when they okay. I beg. I want make wanna help me see reason this thing. Share this thing, comment on it, share your idea, because if this thing continue like this, in the next 10 years it go dey much. Very soon they give list of 1 billion to do burial for person when not even eat 100,000 for all your entire life. I beg this thing they pay me. Though wanna help me reason. I agree to now.